Hello, I'm Fred. This is Wood Tools Workshop. Yesterday, I uploaded a video of me making this circle cutting jig for the table saw. And in watching the video, after I made it, I realized that I spent an awful lot of time tightening and untightening this hold down for the circle. So, in watching that, I thought, I really need a lot faster way to do that. So here's what I've done. Work with me here, buddy. Next, a way to sight down on this peg. So, this guy is just a quick release clamp. Gets a good bite on it, won't spin. Much faster than screwing down on the knob like on these guys. So this video is going to be about how I made this. It'll be useful for a lot more than just the circle jig though. Over here, for example, this guy's got a reach that this one doesn't. Nice. I really need to make two of them for this, one for each side. Here are the materials I used. A quick release hold down clamp. A 5/16 18 TPI T-slot bolt 1.5 inches long. That's a 1 inch pictured from when I was going to use 1/2 inch plywood. I switched to 3/4 plywood and the 1 inch T-bolt wasn't long enough, so I went with 1.5. A 2 inch T-knob through hole 5/16 18 TPI. A 5/16 washer for the T-bolt. 4 number 8 by 3/4 lath screws and a piece of 3/4 inch wood scrap about 2.5 by 8 inches. I'm using a depth stop so that the holes are almost but not entirely the length of the screw. Once I know I have the right amount of pressure when the clamp is locked, I need to tighten these nuts to keep it at that adjustment. Well, I hope this was useful to you. It's really pretty simple, you know. Buy a clamp, screw it to a piece of wood, drill a hole, stick a T-bolt through. And I wonder sometimes, you know, is this too simplistic? Is this something I shouldn't even bother to put up? But I know that there was a time when I wouldn't have known how to do this, so it's a lowest common denominator thing. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you'll check out our website, woodtoolsworkshop.com. In the description of this video will be a list of all of the parts that I used here, and we'll also have those listed on woodtoolsworkshop.com. See you soon.